How can I install WordPress theme manually? Assume that you have your package file, that zip file here. You should copy that file to your WordPress WP content / themes directory. How to do that? Open up your corresponding directory of WordPress. You should just see some folders like WP admin, WP contents, or WP includes, and you should go to WP content. In WP content you should go to themes and paste your WordPress theme here, and after that you should extract the file in themes folder, and after that you can delete the package and just have the theme folder. After extracting your theme to WP contents / themes folder, you should go to appearance, themes, and click on activate button of your uploaded theme. That's it.